Hi everybody, Ellegaard 777 here. This is my first video, so I'm hoping for a few likes and comments. Good comments, by the way. Today I'm going to show you the replacement for like name tags in Minecraft PE. So you can use this thing. It's not name tags, but you can name anything. Okay, let's do this. Let's change. Come out here. I haven't compared this to like anybody else, so I don't know if you guys know this. This might be for beginners, or maybe hardly any people know it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a wolf, spawn wolf, and an anvil, wherever that is, there. Okay, I'm pretty sure you should know what's going on now. So pretty much all you do, place the anvil, open it up, put the spawn wolf in there, change the repair and name thing, so I'm going to just name it Doggy. Done. Get it. And then now it's, where is it? Oh, fudge. Now it should be in your inventory named Doggy instead of spawn wolf. So all you need to do now is use that spawn egg and spawn, and it'll come up with a wolf named Doggy. And then you can just like tame it with a bone or something, and it can be your own pet dog with its own name. That's pretty cool. That attacks sheep too. That's awesome. Without being told to. Okay. You just tame it. My own pet dog. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much all I need to tell you. See ya.